Yes, one more thing. So yeah, this is actually called Senior City Train. So yeah, again, I'll show you all the stuff I have. So about the darkness, but it's dark. So yeah, this might be related to Trinity Long Stock Video Part 1 and 2. Sorry about that if I copied them. Sorry about that. Yeah, if you've ever watched it or not. So yeah, go on YouTube. Yeah, pretty much. Happy holidays. So, what else? Santa Fe's, F40s. I think I'm done. Alright, adios. So, I'll post up the video that once I get the nutrients after I get back from going on vacation. I'm going to Washington D.C. FYI, if you want to know. So yeah. So yeah. In Washington D.C. I'm visiting the White House. I'm gonna take a lot of pictures. I'm gonna take an Amtrak Northeast Regional train. Yeah. So see you when I'm in. Oh, best friends are UBC Gabe and that 84. So yeah, UBC Gabe. Trinity. Yeah, Trinity. I got more friends. Just look at my channel. Yeah. Again. Alright. Happy holidays. So happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa, happy Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Alright. Stay in school. Real fan. Want more. Alright. Oh, one more thing. Where is the snow? Where is the heck is the snow? I'm wondering. It's December already, and it's already snowing. Really.